My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Bmw M4. This vehicle has done just under 59,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission, petrol fuel type, and 431 horsepower. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers, and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access communication, media and radio, navigation, connected drive, my vehicle. From here we can access our service history, as well as notifications. If we put our vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control, which includes heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.